Hello YouTube, Mr. Photoshop Help speaking. Today I'm going to show you a cool tutorial how to make 3D pictures. And it's actually one of the most simple ways to do it, I think. Alright, so first you have to double click the background and make it a layer so you can do something with it and duplicate the layer. Okay, and just to, then you just take this layer first, the copy layer, and go into edit, and then you go down into transform, and then into perspective, and then you have to take the right corner, the left, and lift it, and here where there is a edge, you have to make it 105 and press OK. Then you have to go down into the layer, the other layer, go into edit, down into transform, into perspective and press. And now you take the right corner and lift that corner, go into this place where it stands H and press 105 and press OK. Now go into press the copy layer once, and then you have to double click, and when you have double click you come into this where it stands RGB. Then you have to press it so it's not red anymore, and green and blue has to be on but not red. And now you can actually see when you press OK that it's actually a 3D picture. Now you just have to find your glasses and put them on, and then you're done with the 3D picture.